Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're exploring a device that's promised to give your skin a salon-quality treatment right in the comfort of your own home. The PMD Personal Microderm Elite Pro. With its advanced exfoliating technology, this at-home microdermabrasion machine is designed to leave your skin feeling refreshed and radiant. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. The PMD Personal Microderm Elite Pro is a handheld microdermabrasion device that combines exfoliating crystals with vacuum suction to reveal smoother, glowing skin. It's designed for both face and body, offering versatility that makes it suitable for a range of users. What makes this product stand out is its adjustable speed and suction settings, allowing for a customized experience depending on your skin's needs. The device is lightweight at just 6.88 ounces and is suitable for all skin types. Now, let's dive into how it performed in real-world use. When I first tried the PMD Personal Microderm Elite Pro, I was impressed by how easy it was to incorporate into my routine. The device itself feels sturdy and well-made, with a smooth, ergonomic design that makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver across the face and body. The suction power is quite strong, which might feel intense at first, but it can be adjusted to 3 different settings depending on how aggressive you want the exfoliation to be. During my testing, I used the device both in the morning and at night on different areas of my body. The exfoliating crystals helped to slough off dead skin cells, and the vacuum suction worked well to stimulate circulation. My skin immediately felt smoother, and over time, I noticed a visible improvement in texture and tone. One of the standout features is how much control you have over the process. Whether you need something gentle for delicate areas or more power for tougher skin, you can easily adjust the settings. However, I did notice a couple of things. The first is that while the machine is effective, it does require some practice to use it properly. If you aren't familiar with microdermabrasion, it may take a few tries to get the technique right. Also, be mindful of your skin type. If you have sensitive skin, I would recommend starting with the lowest suction setting to avoid irritation. So now let's talk pros and cons. On the pro side, the PMD Elite Pro delivers on its promise of smoother, more radiant skin. The adjustable suction settings make it suitable for various skin types and preferences, and the device is easy to use once you get the hang of it. The convenience of at-home treatments is a major plus, no need for pricey salon visits. On the con side, the device does require regular maintenance, and the initial learning curve might be a little frustrating for first-time users. Additionally, the exfoliating crystals can be a bit messy, so be prepared for a bit of cleanup. When it comes to value for money, the PMD Personal Microderm Elite Pro sits at a mid-range price point for at-home beauty tools. Considering the device's performance and the cost of salon treatments for similar results, I'd say it's a worthwhile investment, especially if you're looking to maintain smooth, radiant skin between professional visits. The versatility of using it on both the face and body is also a big advantage. There are other devices out there that offer similar functionality, but few come with the same combination of adjustable settings and suction power. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, you could consider the Vanity Planet Spin for Perfect Skin Brush, which offers a gentler exfoliation, but lacks the suction feature. It's a good alternative if you're new to exfoliation and want something less intense. As far as build quality goes, the PMD Personal Microderm Elite Pro feels solid. It's made of durable plastic with a sleek design that's easy to hold. The device is lightweight, which makes it convenient for travel or storage. However, be mindful of replacing the exfoliating discs and cleaning the machine regularly to ensure it functions properly over time. The customer service for PMD is reliable. They offer clear instructions for use and maintenance, and their website provides detailed troubleshooting resources if needed. I didn't need to contact them directly, but based on their reputation, I trust that they'd be responsive if issues arise. So, who would benefit from the PMD Personal Microderm Elite Pro? It's a great option for those looking for a high-quality, customizable at-home exfoliation tool. If you're serious about improving skin texture and radiance and are willing to invest a little time into learning how to use it properly, this device is a solid choice. If you're enjoying this review so far, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss future reviews. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used the PMD Personal Microderm Elite Pro, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think and share your experience. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.